So I am up early having some coffee. I think I'm gonna have a little bit of breakfast. This is mornings. They open at like 7:30 for breakfast. You can also walk down the beach in like a couple minutes and there's a bunch of other places that are open for breakfast. Some of the places don't open until later in the evening, but I know the Mojito Bar is open. Anyway, nice morning. It's good to be out of the cold. This is the American breakfast with eggs, scrambled eggs.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. Go ahead.
Number is wrong?
308.
308. Okay.
All right, so this is the hotel right there. I'm walking out to go find an ATM. This is the main drag. This is basically the opposite of the beach. And this is a... No, I'm good, thank you. And there are massage girls just like everywhere else. No, I'm good, man. Thank you. A lot of little apartments for rent, a lot of hotels also. I know a lot of people who own, or not a lot of people, a couple people who own their own place here and they rent them out Airbnb. The last guy I stayed with, he talked to me for a while about it. And from what I remember, there's an ATM down here, yeah. And this back alleyway goes all the way down to the hotels also. That goes right out to the beach. So no problems with the ATM. I'm gonna walk down to the grocery store and pick up a few things. Monday morning before Christmas. Not before Christmas, this is in December, like middle of December. I caught a bit of a head cold, I think, on the airplane coming down here. So my voice is kind of raggedy. I've been recovering the past couple days. While I was walking around Sosua Dominican, I could feel it. The drive up here was okay, but not a good place to get sick because they don't sell decongestant like at the grocery store. You have to go to a pharmacy. At least I couldn't find it. Again, I might just be doing it wrong. Bars on both sides of the street. So heading to the west, that's the Mojito Bar right there that I ate at the other night. That's the back side of it. So I got some guys, my friend, trying to sell me some stuff behind. This is, I'm good, man, don't worry. I think I bought something in here last time. This is the more expensive surf type stuff. There's a bunch of local little shops. You can do paddleboarding, kiteboarding, wind sail or parasailing, not parasailing, with the sail on the board instead of the kite. There's a bunch of little shops here, and I think this is a hotel or condo above it. The other thing I wanted to show is these cars are for rent. So once you get here, there are cars for rent. There's also some cheaper ones at some of the local places, so you can take a bus up here and get a car also. Okay, that's the big hotels over there that I just came walking by. This is the Green Grocery Store. I forget the name of it when I was driving in. If you have a rental car, you can go left down there and park. There's a parking lot back down there. I think this is Janet's. That's the name of it, Janet's Market. This is where I've shopped before, and it's worked out. Most people seem to come here. Yeah, it's a decent setup. Hello, hello. And walking back after, I guess, a late lunch, early dinner at Mojito Bar. There are quite a few kiteboarders out. I guess the first time I came here, I've come here a few times during the windy season, and it seems like there's pretty much double the amount, but I can't be sure. I tried it once and I got rolled. I'm tempted to try it again, but it's definitely it's like snow skiing. It takes like a year to get good at it, and then after that you can definitely enjoy it. But the first few times are definitely a lot more work at trying to learn the skill to do it. And I'm not a snowboarder, so I'm a skier. So if they had two boards, I think it would be much easier for me. Anyway, I don't know if you can see them in this camera, but there's probably 50 out there right now still, all the way down the coast. Okay, this is Kite Beach. The sun just set. Came all the way back around from over there. Mojito Bar is probably somewhere over in that area. Walked the beach all the way around. And then this is the Kite Beach area. This is where I stayed last time. And you can actually go quite a bit farther, all the way around to that point out on the end there. That's where there's a surf school, and there's a nice bunch of other beach down there. There's a dirt road that takes you out there. So I'll probably drive that at least once while I'm here. This place is doing a little bit better. They had a whole bunch of beach erosion from some of the storms that came up the past couple years. We were actually watching it on TV. But a lot of the kites are still out, even though it's probably close to 6 p.m. 1800. So this is Friend's Restaurant. It's right on the main drag. 200 pesos for breakfast burrito with coffee. Pretty lively in the morning. Lots of expats, guys speaking French, German, and some Americans. That's the beach right back there, but it's not on the beach. There's one lot in between it. Driving out of Cabarete west into Sosua. This is one of the residences or beach areas, sales office. This guy's driving super slow. And it's probably like a 15-minute drive. There's lots of cows and stuff and farms on the left. This is towards the beach. There's a lot more development. Sosua has a lot more nightlife. It's more of a nightlife place than Cabarete. Cabarete is more about kiteboarding and surfing and that sort of stuff. It all depends what you want. Traffic light. There's some kind of police drama going on here. He's stopping people randomly. I'm not sure what's going on there. I got all my rental car papers in there, my driver's license. Local chica. And this is not sure what that is. Okay, so just turning right off the main road that I came in from, Cabarete. This is Sosua's like main little loop. It's still really early, so most people are not out yet. These are the bars on the left and right. This is the main drag on the left. They turned it into like a walking street. They closed down the traffic after a certain time, and I don't remember what it is. But this is it. This is the main intersection. I don't know what this guy's doing. This minivan just kind of parked. And so, yeah, there's all kinds of stuff. Like this dune buggy, there's motorcycles, there's scooters. A few years ago I was here, the police were actually taking scooters away from everybody that didn't have the registration for it. So this is like the main little loop in Sosua. There's a bunch of little hotels, there's a bunch of bars, and if you go like, you know, a couple hundred meters either direction, it's cheaper. But this is the main little loop area. I've gone to the beach once or twice. I think I prefer Cabarete to the beach here. That's just me. This place I've eaten at a few times. It's not bad. Lots of massage chicas. And of course we get the crazy sun. Parking here is kind of crazy too. And a lot of these places have been closed and se vende for a couple of years at least. Money exchangers, that sort of stuff. This is like, there's a lot, everybody will hustle you when you come here. They'll ask you to sell this, sell that, buy this. And at night there's a lot of the girls are here too, and they'll talk to you. But I generally prefer not to come to Sosua if I can help it. I prefer the beach in Cabarete, but like I said, everybody has their own preference. There are a lot of restaurants there, I'll give it that. I mean, there's a lot of restaurants. It's really cheap to find a place to stay. And this is Valentino's. I think I've eaten here before. I know the light's really crazy. A lot of local vendors. So this is the main drag, and I'll take a left. This is a una via, one way, so it's kind of a pain in the arse. But this is where they close it off also. And again, at night it looks much different. Lots of little potholes. And of course the police. It's actually thinned out quite a bit compared to the first time I came here. I heard this was a great beach place to came. I came here and it was crazy nightlife, but it was felt a little out of control, which was nice, I guess, to a degree. But I haven't really been back that often, so this is the first time I've driven through in quite a while. It hasn't changed a whole lot. Yeah, I'm just doing a drive-by, so we'll see. Bars and all. All right, so now we're back to the same intersection. This is where we came down from up there. We're gonna go straight this time. Kind of plow our way through here. So going straight, you get a lot more of the same, but it's a little less expensive. It's a little off the main drag. Sosua Light Zone. There were a couple clubs here the last time. A few more hotels out here. A little bit more, or a little less expensive. And right now we're basically heading east, paralleling the road that I came in on. You can walk pretty much the entire Sosua area if you're staying somewhere downtown. You can also go down by the beach a little bit farther away. There's Airbnbs, there's whatever. Hotel and condo combo right here coming up. Scooters go the wrong way any way they want. Cars usually go the right direction, but you can. Yeah, I've driven the opposite direction on this road, and when if you get traffic, you just have to pull over and wait for them to pass. Like this guy. It's less and less of a uno via the farther down you get. Down for a ways and I'll turn up. I don't remember the exact route out of here, but there are a few side roads. And I think I should have taken that one. And that's pretty much most of Sosua. The rest of it kind of goes off like this, and it's for sale. It'll peter out. I'm gonna try this road here. And this road should eventually connect somewhere on the way out. And I'll get back to the road that I came in on. So you can load up your vehicle as much as you want, but I'll say at least it's not a scooter. Because I've seen scooters with stuff that size on it. Just stick it in the back and fit. There's another casino, Cabañas. Nice little wall.